Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem concerning a program written in Java using the CLP implementation. The problem arises when the solution returns decimals instead of the desired Boolean values of 0 and 1 for the variables. This poses a challenge as the variables are expected to have integer-like behavior, but the current setup doesn't enforce this restriction. Let's see how we can tackle this issue. In the solution provided, it's stated that the CLP solver, being a linear programming tool, lacks the ability to enforce integrality. This means that the variables cannot be limited strictly to 0 and 1 values within the CLP framework. The suggestion is to explore the CBC Mixed Integer Programming Solver, a companion to CLP that supports this requirement. Unfortunately, the existing third-party library only interfaces with CLP, leaving the integrality constraint unaddressed. Looking at alternatives, one option suggested is to consider using Google's or Tools wrappers, which offer a versatile optimization framework with multiple language support. By leveraging these tools, you may find a more suitable solution that caters to your specific needs. Remember, choosing the right tool for the job can make all the difference in overcoming such obstacles. In conclusion, while the current setup may not provide a direct solution to limiting variables to Boolean values, exploring alternative tools like CBC or Tools wrappers could offer a way forward. And remember, when faced with a programming puzzle, there's always a creative solution waiting to be discovered. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Keep coding and stay curious.